Hello Odors, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see about credit limit. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here module Odoo POS credit limit. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to POS app, go to configuration settings and see here this option customer credit limit. Allow this. Available here two options, warn and allow. If you select here warn and allow, then system check customer credit limit. If credit limit is 100 and your purchase order amount is 200, then display warning and also allow for create order. And if here select block order, then not payment is successful and display or block your order. So first here I select one and allow. Let's save. Now go to customers and deco edit for site here credit limit. Credit limit is 100 and also set here partner limit. Let's save. Now go to dashboard. In furniture shop, continue selling. Select here product, large meeting table and customer is a deco addict and also provided here this amount 100 limit. Select here deco addict and now payment is also display here this available credit total 100. Now select here payment method and validate this and display here this credit limit warning. Deco addict available credit total 100 is less than order total, this total amount of purchase order. So outstanding is 0. So do you want to proceed? Okay. Now go to your order. And see here created this order for deco addict. Again go to settings and here I want to select block order. Let's save. Go to customer, same customer deco addict, POS credit and now I want to credit hold. Again purchase product, drawer blank and another is a flip over. Same customer is a deco addict and display here this hold, it means deco addict have no amount and total limit is 100, but so display here this false state. Again select here deco addict. Now payment is method is the customer account and display here is available credit on a hold. And when you try to validate this, then display warning deco addict credit is currently on a hold. Credit purchase are not allowed, it means here blocked your order. Here not proceed for your order. So using this override, system auto check customer credit limits during POS checkout and alerts the cashier if the order exceeds the allowed credits. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.